If you make any kind of data input error while working in the various measurement items, simply use the undo changes function that allows you to return step by step to the initial situation. If you cancel a modification by mistake, you can repeat it with the repeat changes function. Cancel changes is active only during the item editing phase. If you close the edit phase, changes are saved and you will not be able to cancel them anymore. Alternatively, in the price list editor page, you can cancel changes even to multiple item entries. However, if the editor changes, the function is deactivated and the changes can no longer be cancelled. In the Rate Analysis editor, you can undo the changes made to the analysis elements. As before, even in this case, if you close the Rate Analysis editor, the Cancel Changes function is deactivated.